In this video, I'm going to show you how to type a checkmark symbol in Excel. Whether you're creating to-do lists, checklists, or simply need to mark items as complete, this tutorial will guide you through all the steps. Let's get started. To type a checkmark symbol in Excel, you can use one of the following methods. As the first method, select the cell where you want to insert the checkmark symbol. Change the font of the selected cell to Wingdings. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt key, type numbers 0252 using the numeric keypad, but not the numbers above the letters on your keyboard. Release the Alt key, and the checkmark symbol should appear in the cell. As the second method, select the cell where you want to insert the checkmark symbol. Go to the Insert tab in the Excel ribbon. Click on Symbol in the Symbols group. In the Symbol dialog box, choose Wingdings font from the Font drop-down menu. Scroll down the list of symbols until you find the checkmark symbol. Select the checkmark symbol and click the Insert button. Close the Symbol dialog box. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to type a checkmark symbol in Excel, making your spreadsheets more organized and visually engaging. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, leave the comment below. And if you found this video useful, please hit that like button. See you soon.